Let us start today solutions of linear equations. That means solution of linear equations in one variable and solution of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So linear equation in one variable ax plus b is equal to 0 has a unique solution that already we explained. So ax plus b equal to 0 solution means solving an equation, or solution means solving an equation means we are finding out the unknown value of the variable. Here x is the variable, therefore method of finding out the value of x we are calling as solving the equation. So here also we found out the same only, has a unique solution. So which is that solution? You see, solution or root of the equation ax plus b is equal to 0 is x is equal to minus b by a. These all are MCQ questions. So what is the solution of ax plus b equal to 0? What is the solution of ax plus b equal to 0? The solution of ax plus b equal to 0 is minus b by a. Actually solution means what? So this value, when we are substituting in this equation now, LHS answer and RHS answer you will get same. That is, this value will satisfy the equation. So this value satisfying the equation, that value we are calling as the solution. Satisfying meaning this much only, the value of x we are substituting in the equation, you will get the LHS answer and RHS answer both the same. Okay, that is the word meaning. Clear? So now we will move to linear equation in two variable. Listen here. Linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. That means the value of x changing. For example, we are putting any value of x as 1. So y will get another value. If y we are putting one value, you will get the value of x in terms of ABC. So in such a way, if the value of x is changing, then the value of y also will change, and value of y changing, the value of x also will change. So suppose the value of x we are giving 10 values, you will get another 10 value of y also. Okay, that only the short meaning. Here I written what is the meaning of solution. See here. So linear equation two variable has how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. And linear equation in one variable how many solutions? Here only one variable and degree also 1. Therefore how many solutions? Only one solution, that is minus b by a. It's a solution we can't able to say in terms of this way. Okay, so it can able to take any value, either 1, 2, 3 etc. 100, 1000, any values we can able to apply for, except if what value of x we are giving here, on the basis the value of y also will change. Okay, so the solution meaning here written, see here. If x is equal to p, in the place of x what we are giving p, and y we are giving q. So the value of x is equal to p and y is equal to q is a solution. The meaning this much only, this x is equal to p and y is equal to q we are substituting in the equation, it will satisfy the equation. Therefore if x is equal to p and y is equal to q is a solution, how we will write? We will write in the form of ordered pair PQ. Ordered pair PQ is a solution of the equation. For example, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is a solution. How we will write a ordered pair 2, 3. Remember, you want to write first x value, then y value. Okay. So how we will write if x is equal to 2 giving and y is equal to 3 giving, then how you will get the solution? How you will write? We will write in the form ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution. Are you got clear? Ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution. For example, we are giving in the place of x 1 and in the place of y we are giving 5. How we will write? Ordered pair 1, 5 is a solution. Is it clear? Same way what we written here. Ordered pair p and q is a solution of the equation. I am giving, for example, I am giving a question. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is a solution. How will write it? ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution. First you write a x value, then we will write y value. So ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution. Clear? So once more read the points. If x is equal to p and y is equal to q is a solution, then how we will write a ordered pair pq is a solution of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay, some examples I given for your understanding. It is not compulsory to write in the notes. Okay, here you see, we written an equation now. What is the equation we written? X plus y plus 7 equal to 0 is the equation I written. So we given one value of x I given as x is equal to 1 given. If x is equal to 1 given, this x value you substitute here. In this equation you substitute 1 in the place of x. What we will substitute 1 plus y plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore what we will get 1 plus 7, how much coming? 8. So y plus 8 is equal to 0. So that you will get y is equal to minus 8. So you got now what is the value of x? We given x1, then you got the value y is equal to minus 8. Therefore what I written here, ordered pair xy is equal to ordered pair 1 minus 8 is a solution. See here once more clear. What I written first, x coordinate. What's the x coordinate? 1. What's the y coordinate? Minus 8. So ordered pair 1 minus 8 is a solution of the equation. Clear? Is it clear now? Now you can give any value for x. X you give 2. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 4. If we are explaining on the board, we can give more and more examples. So x is equal to give. You can apply here x2 give. Then what you will get the value of y. So here x2 giving. What will come here? X2 here giving 2 plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So what will get a y is equal to, you will get minus 9. So such a way any value you can give. Okay, you got here I written now. We already found out one value. What is the value of one solution? One solution is xy is equal to 1 minus 8. In this way you can find out many solutions. That is why we written here linear equation 2 variable has infinitely many solutions. Here 2 variables are there. Very clearly we can say it has infinitely many solutions. So for your understanding verification I done here. It is not necessary to write what is which I written in the bracket only for your understanding. So we can verify this value x and y satisfying the equation or not. See here. So x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0 is the equation now. I taken the LHS part. After taking the LHS part, I kept the value of x as 1 and the value of y I put as minus 8. So 1 plus minus 8 plus 7 equal to 1 plus 7 how much coming? 8. And here this is minus 8. 8 plus minus 8 how much got? 0. See, LHS part I taken, LHS answer you got as 0 and that is same as RHS. So this equation satisfying now. When we are applying the values of x and y, if you are getting LHS and RHS equal, once more make it clear, if we are putting the value of x and y in the equation, if LHS and RHS values we are getting same, then we can say that value, that means which value here, ordered where 1 minus 8 is a solution. If you are not getting same, we will write 1 minus 8 is not a solution. Okay. So once more you make it clear. What is the value of see here, what is the solution of x plus b linear equation in one variable? How many solution? Exactly one solution. What is that solution? X is equal to minus b by a. How many solutions? One solution. Okay. Linear equation in 2 variables has how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Can you say which are the solutions? No. Because depend upon the value of x changing, the value of y will change. So we can able to find out infinitely many solutions for a linear equations in 2 variables. Okay. So this much only theory part here. Now we are directly going to the exercise. Okay. See here, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. See, question read all of you. Which one of the following options is true and why? So question is that it is MCQ question only. Which one of the following options is true and why? Question is this one. Y is equal to 3x plus y has dash solutions. What is? Y is equal to 3x plus y has dash solutions. First of all, you see here what type of equation it is. Here one variable is there, here one variable is there. So it is not arranged in the standard form, but it is a linear equation in two variables. See, degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1. So it is a linear equation in one variable only. So linear equation in one variable, how many solutions you yourself say? How many solutions are there? Yes, say the answer. Infinitely many solutions. So these three options are given. Among the three options, which is correct? Third option is correct. How many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions. Reason also you want to write. What's the reason? Why? Reason write same. What's the reason? Because linear equation two variable has infinitely many solutions. Okay, clear? Okay. Now, so first you copy the answers. Copy all of your answers. Now see the second question. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. How many? 4 solutions. We want to find out the 4 solutions. Okay. We are going to find out the 4 solutions. See here. First equation is 2x plus y equal to 7. First equation is 2x plus y equal to 7. See here, 2x plus y equal to 7. What we are going to find out? We are going to find out the 4 solutions. So I told you, either you give the value of x or you give value of y. If you are putting the value of x, then you will get y. If you are putting the value of y, then you will get x. So there, here teacher everywhere given value of x only given. You may think why we can't able to give the value of y. You can give. X value giving, you will get value of y. Y value giving, you will get the value of x. That will be the difference. So here you see how many solutions you want to find out? 4 solutions. If x is equal to 0, I given simply one value. There is no doubt you can give any value. You give 100, you give 200. You can give any value you can give. Then corresponding values of x, you will get the value of y here. So here what I given, x is equal to 0. So this 0 apply in the equation. 2 into 0 plus y equal to 0, 7. So 2 into 0, any number into 0 is 0 only, plus y equal to 7. Therefore y equal to how much got? 7. So I written the solution. Therefore the first solution, how I written? O divided by x y is equal to 0. First x value and y value. Clear? So did you got the first solution now? This is the method everywhere. So first solution xy is equal to 0, 7. Now x is equal to minus 1 again. Same method. Repeat here. 2 into minus 1 plus y equal to 7. So minus 2 plus y equal to 7. Following now, this minus 2 going right hand side, sign will change. Minus going to right hand side, it will become plus, and plus going to the right hand side, it will become minus, and division going right hand side, it will become multiplication. Multiplication going to the right hand side, it will become division. So which operation is there? Just opposite operation will come. If the numbers are moving to the left side to right side or right side to left side. Clear? So here minus 2. This minus 2 going this side, what will get there? Plus 2. So minus 2 going here, plus 2 coming. So 7 plus 2, how much coming? 9. Okay, so you got the second solution. Ordered pair xy is equal to ordered pair, first x value minus 1, then y value 9. So second solution got now minus 1 9. Ordered pair minus 1 9 is also a solution of this equation. Okay, you copy that much. Okay, move to the third solution. If x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, in the same way, in the place of x we are applying the same value. 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. So 2 plus y equal to 7. So y here plus 2 coming, this plus 2 going this side, it will become minus. So 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 how much coming? 5. So what is the third solution? Third solution is ordered pair 1 5. Okay, very clear sums. So this type of sums are very important also. This chapter is very easy chapter also. So what is the third solution? Third solution is ordered pair xy is equal to ordered pair 1 5. You got the third solution also now? Okay. So next question. See here, 2x plus y, x is equal to how much? Minus 2. X minus 2 I given here. No problems. 2x is same as x into 2 also. So minus 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. So minus 4, 2 into x, 2 into x, 2 into minus 2. How much coming? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus y is equal to 7. So this minus 4 you shift to this side, what will you get here? Plus 4. So y is equal to 7 plus 4. So what you got the answer? 11. So you got the fourth solution also. So what is xy? Xy is equal to first x coordinate minus 2 and then y coordinate 11. Therefore xy is equal to minus 2 11 is the fourth solution. So what we written here? Therefore the four solutions are, all the solutions once more you write. So all the solution we are written once more. Okay, clear? All the solutions we written now. Let's copy it. Instead of copying, you yourself, after understanding the sum, you yourself try to do. This type of sums are important. And now we will move to the next question. Next question also method is same, only pi x plus y equal to 9. So after seeing pi, you don't think that any complicated sum is this one. No. Same method. X is equal to 0 give. What you got? Pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into 0 also 0 only. 0 into any large number coming, 0 only coming. So 0 plus y how much? 9. Therefore what is the value of y? You got 9. So what is the first solution? Ordered pair xy is equal to ordered pair 0 9. First solution got. Okay. You take your notebook and do a any rough notebook you take and do along with the teacher. Then you also will get the idea, no? Now second solution, see, if x is equal to 1, in the place of x you apply 1, pi into 1. Pi into 1 means pi only. Pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9. So pi plus y is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to this pi going this side minus pi. 9 minus pi. Okay, so you got the second solution. Order where xy is equal to how much got? 1 x1 and y is 9 minus pi. Clear? Now you will get the third solution. If x is equal to 2, in the place of x you apply the value of 2. Pi into 2 plus y is equal to 9. That means 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to how much? 9 minus 2 pi. So you got the third solution. See here, first x coordinate right, then y coordinate right. 9 minus 2 pi. Clear? Now the one more solution. If x is equal to 3, in the place of x apply 3, pi into 3 plus y is equal to 9. That means 3 pi plus y is equal to 9. Therefore, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. So you got the fourth solution also. See here, ordered pair xy is equal to first x coordinate 3, then y coordinate 9 minus 3 pi. Now we will write the conclusion. Therefore, the four solutions are first 0, 9, then 9 minus 1 pi or pi, 9 minus 2 pi and 9 minus 3 pi. Okay students, copy it first. And I given a homework for you. The third sum is homework. Okay, you need some homework also in between. Okay, completed. Now move to the next question. Question, read properly. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. Which are the solutions and which are not the solutions you write. Very clearly teacher told several times how we are checking. In the place of x you give the value, and in the place of y you give the value in the equation. LHS and RHS answer you are getting same, then it is a solution, otherwise it is not a solution. Got clear now meaning? So values of x and y substitute in the equation. LHS you calculate. LHS calculating you will get the same answer as RHS. Then we can say the value is a or the ordered pair 0 2 or ordered pair 2 0 are the solutions, otherwise no. I shown the sum in the paper, you see. I written here, you see. Ordered pair, first question I taken. Ordered pair xy is equal to what is given? Ordered pair 0 2. What is your equation? X minus 2y is your equation. You can see again question once more. X minus 2y is equal to 4 is the equation. These values are the solutions of the equation or not. That is your question. So we can substitute and see. Substitute. What's the value of x? 0. What's the value of y? 2. Given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x and y. X is how much? 0. And y value is 2. Substitute here. I taken LHS first. In this LHS you apply here 0. And in the place of y you apply the value 2 into 2. How much coming? 4. So 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4, what you are getting? Minus 4. Is this is the RHS part? No. You got my LHS answer, you got minus 4. But what is RHS answer? Plus 4. Minus 4 and plus 4 are equal? No. Therefore, what I written here? Minus 4 you got, but it is not equal to RHS. I got clear? Therefore, 0 2 is not a solution. Understood the method? One sum make it clear, then remaining all the sums we are doing by the same method. So first you write the equation and write the values of x and y. These values of x and y substitute in the equation and see. While substituting you can see LHS you calculate. LHS calculated here. After calculating LHS you got minus 4. But what is your answer of RHS part? You want to get 4. So minus 4 is not equal to plus 4. Okay. So what I written? Minus 4. LHS answer I got as minus 4. So it is not equal to the RHS. Therefore what I written? 0 2 is not a solution. Are you got clear? Okay. Copy it and then move to the next question. Substitute the value. Second question is what is 2 0. So same method only. So substitute the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 in the equation. So here substitute here. LHS take What is the value of LHS? X minus 2y. In the place of x you apply 2, and in the place of y you apply 0. 2 minus 2 into 0. 2 minus 0. That is equal to 2. So what is the RHS value? 4. So what I written here is not equal to the RHS part. Therefore, what we can say? 2 0 is also not a solution. Clear the point? And third sum I kept for homework for you. And question number fourth one see. Question number fourth one see. Now same. What's the value of x? Root 2. And what's the value of y? 4 root 2. So this value substitute in the equation. See LHS for x minus 2y. Substitute here. In the place of x you apply root 2. In the place of y you apply 4 root 2. So root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. So 4 into 2 how much coming? 8. 8 root 2. So 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2. So how much will get a? Minus 7 root 2. Okay, are you got clear? This is root 2 and this is also root 2. So that we can able same irrational number coming. So we can able to add or subtract. Here 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2. So 1 minus 8 how much coming? Minus 7. Take the difference and put the largest number sign. What's the difference between 1 and 8 and 7? Largest number is minus. So minus 7 root 2. So what's the value of RHS? 4. So it is also not equal to the RHS part. So what I written? Therefore it is also not a solution. Root 2 comma 4 root is not a solution of the equation. Okay. Now move a little fast. Ordered pair 1 1. That is also same way you verify. You yourself do. What's the value of x? 1. And what's the value of y? 1. Apply in the equation. Applying in the equation, what you got? 1 minus 2. What you got? Minus 1. It is also not equal to the RHS part. Therefore, what we written 1 1 is also not a solution. Is it clear now? This is the method of finding. Check whether it is a solution or not. Only this method. Value of x and y substitute in the equation. If LHS answer, RHS answer same coming, then you write it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Okay students, again see the video, then you can able to clarify your doubts. Any doubt is there, you can ask also. Now we will move to the last question of this exercise. Find the value of k. What do you want to find out? This type of many questions you will get from the workbook. Find the value of k if x is equal to and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So, what's the question? Find the value of k when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution. I told you, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution, then what we will say? Directly we can substitute in the equation. The meaning is that it will satisfy the equation. No need to verify just like the previous way. So here already given that this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution. So direct apply in the equation. Okay. See here. Given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. And what is given? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution. Okay, clear? Therefore, in the place of x, you apply the value. What's the value of x? 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 into, in the place of y, you apply the value 1. 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to k. Therefore, what is the value of k you got? K is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. What's the value of k you got? 7. Okay, copy the answers. Okay, students, copy it. So, this type of any sum, if it is a solution giving, direct you apply in the equation. So, in the place of x, you apply the value of x, and in the place of y, you apply the value of y, and you will get the answer directly. Okay. Clear? So, what is the value of k? What you got? K is equal to 7 volts. Okay, now copy it. Copied now? Okay, bye. Now we will see in the next video.